Okay, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video we are going to go over launching a campaign with TeeSpring's designer. So at the top here you just click launch a campaign, and it goes back to their traditional designer, which is okay because it's pretty good. Over here on the left hand side you can enter text on the shirt, choose your fonts, pretty much everything you can do everywhere else. So I could put "Buy Me" on the shirt, change the font to this cream puff font. I can make it bigger, center it, change the color of it, to brown or whatever I want it to be. Let's do it maybe pink. You can put an outline on it, a couple of little minute things that you can do with it. Alright, you could change the colors of the shirt, so I could make this a black shirt, and here's their color palette. They don't have as many colors as some of the other platforms, but they got the decent colors. In terms of styles, over here they've got all the different styles that they have available. So you see as I click the different ones down here, the base cost goes up or down. The Hanes tagless tees seem to be the cheapest ones. I like to use the cheapest ones unless I'm making them very expensive, because there's better profit margin and people still like them. You've also got long sleeve tank tops, sweatshirts, v-necks, women's shirts, kids shirts, active wear, so I mean you've got a lot of different options here, just like you do with most any other platform. Another cool thing about TeeSpring that I will hand to these guys is they have implemented, I'm going to get rid of that, a pretty cool feature where if you don't have a designer or you don't know about designing, you can search for art that they have licensed. And I mean, they've got an abundance of clip art that is really nice. Like, let's say I wanted to do that army mom type thing. I could type in army mom, see if anything comes up. Alright, so you've got in here basketball mom, baseball mom, soccer mom, football mom, maybe not army mom. Once again, remember, you got to make sure trademark on all that stuff, but let's just put army. How about that? Okay, so it pulls up a lot of clip art that has to do with army type stuff, targets, tanks, American flags, all sorts of stuff. So let's just say that I wanted to use, I don't know why I'm being picky because this is just an example, but I would like to put something cool on here. So let's put this one. It's a care package. You could change the color of it, maybe change the color to white, and then I could come down here and I could still type something like your care package has arrived. Okay, and obviously let's put a cooler color on it, one that makes sense. And I guess if you're wearing this shirt, you yourself are the care package, and you can change the font, find a good font for it. I don't really like Helvetica, but whatever, you can find a cool font for it. And you can really come up with some creative stuff with no graphic designers or any knowledge on how to do graphic design in TeeSpring. They have a lot of really great clip art that you can use. So if you're a newbie, this is a great network to use just because of that one thing right there. Okay, so let's say we like this, it's good. We've got different colors and all that good stuff. Here's where we set our goal. Like I said, I always set my goal to 10, and down here you can set the price on the shirt. So I usually do $24.99 on my shirts. If it's something simple, I'll do it $19.99 or whatever, but usually $24.99 is where I'll go. And you can see up here as you increase the goal how much money you would be making per shirt. So simple enough right there. You can also at this point add in tank tops, long sleeves, v-necks, pretty much everything you can do everywhere else, but you're doing it here on TeeSpring, and you're doing it through their system. kids t-shirts. I could see this one being kind of funny for a kids t-shirt as well. Anyways, you got all these different things here that you can use. You can look at the front, you can look at the back of the design. After that, you hit next. It's going to want you to set how many days you want it to run for. Theirs are preset, you can't do custom. Put in, here, your care package shirt, limited, okay? Surprise your, I don't know how to spell surprise, but surprise your partner by being their care package, okay? Buy this shirt now, boom, okay? So what's done is done. Down here we want to agree that we have the right to use this because we haven't infringed on anything. We can set up our vanity URL, and once we're done, we just simply hit launch and the shirt goes live, and we can then start marketing this particular shirt. So that's the process. Create the t-shirt, set the goal, add your description, and then launch. Very simple, and like I said, TeeSpring does have some pros. So I'll see you in the next video.